Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Huawei Watch GT 5 to a Samsung phone. First, make sure both your Huawei Watch GT 5 and your Samsung phone have at least 50% battery life. Next, download the Huawei Health app from the Google Play Store onto your Samsung device. This essential application facilitates the entire pairing process. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your Samsung phone, as this wireless connection is crucial for the devices to communicate effectively. These initial steps are vital for a smooth setup. Now let's pair your devices. Open the Huawei Health app on your Samsung phone. Within the app, locate the Devices tab, usually found at the bottom, and tap on Add Device. You'll then select smartwatches and find your specific Huawei Watch GT 5 model from the displayed options. Once selected, a pairing request will appear on both your watch and phone. Confirm this request on both screens to establish the connection. This step links your watch directly to the app. After successful pairing, the Huawei Health app will prompt you to grant several essential permissions. It's crucial to allow access to notifications, contacts, and location services to ensure your watch can fully utilize all its features, such as receiving messages and tracking your routes accurately. Additionally, navigate to your phone settings and disable battery optimization for the Huawei Health app. This prevents the phone from closing the app in the background, ensuring a stable and continuous connection between your watch and phone for uninterrupted data synchronization. Sometimes, you might encounter minor connection issues. If your watch isn't connecting, try restarting both your Huawei Watch GT 5 and your Samsung phone. Always ensure the Huawei Health app is updated to its latest version, as updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. For a stable Bluetooth connection, keep your watch and phone within a range of about 10 meters. Finally, regularly check for firmware updates for your watch within the app to ensure you have the newest features and best performance. These tips help maintain a reliable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.